Hello everyone. If you want the configuration for U-blox to be sent every time you start your Arduino, this video is for you. So I prepared two scripts, 92, which is this one on the left, and 100 on the right. The only difference between them is line 88. So we'll go to line 88. In the 92 script, these two lines are commented. These scripts will work only for nav PVT messages. Now, if your U-blox sends nav PVT with 92, use the left script. Otherwise, use the right script. But now, how to check the message's length, you might ask? Good question. Now, to answer this question, open U-center and connect your device. I connected my device already, so it's there, connected. All right. Then go to View, Packet Console, and put it aside. Go to View again, Messages View, and disable NMEA messages, all of them. We don't need them, and we will not save anyway. So now go to UBX, Nav, PVT, right click and enable message. You see 92. The size of the message is 92 byte. Now that you know the message's length, you don't need U-center anymore. All right. We know that our message is 92 in length. So we'll select this script. So line 8 to line 13 will disable all the NMEA messages. And these three lines will disable UBX messages. Line 21 will enable nav PVT. And here uncomment the update rate you want, and I recommend to start with 5 Hz as 10 Hz might not work correctly on your device. I found out that 5 Hz works on most devices. So if it's your first time sending these messages, start with 5 and make sure it works before you do any modifications. All right. Now before uploading the sketch, don't forget to disconnect your GPS module during the upload process. Once you are done, make sure both lines are rotating and enjoy your speedometer. Thanks for watching.